I joined Syberry as a research specialist, so I was responsible for finding an appropriate candidates for our open positions. But I felt that I need more communication, more possibilities to develop my English skills. I started holding interviews half a year ago, and it was a very transparent process. I received all the feedback about some areas of growth and about positive aspects of my job. And with help of more experienced people, I feel great results in my professional development. In our company, we have some goals which we need to achieve to move from one level of qualification to another level of qualification. So in our company, you always know where you stand. Also, one more important thing that in our company we have a practice of providing feedbacks. Once per 3 months we have these meetings to provide our employees with the feedbacks from their team members, to highlight everything that they are doing well, to highlight some areas of growth. The most challenging in my work that my personal responsibility in candidates evaluation in terms of understanding if we match each other, if it's comfortable to work together, and if our collaboration will be a win-win both of sides. We have really long HR interviews, up to 1 hour and half an hour, and it's always surprising for all the candidates that we have this long interview. But after this interview, they usually understand why we are doing this. It's important for us to understand candidates' expectations from a new working place, to understand their mindset, and if it's comfortable for us to work together. In our company, the technical interview is equivalent HR one. So if we don't match, for example, for HR scenes, we can't start our collaboration in general. Our core value is to be helpful. It means that we are trying to find the best solution for our customer. So we are looking for people for whom it would be important to be involved in the client's business, to better understand what they need in general, to solve their problems. So we are trying to find people who will be ready to help each other. So in our company, you will not stay alone with your problem. You will find a person who will help you in difficult situations. Most questions on our HR interview are related to direct communication with the customer side, and we are trying to find this match with our new employees to understand if they have a similar approach as we do. I feel really comfortable to talk about different problems with my team members, with my management. In our company, we have really supportive atmosphere, and all team members are ready to help you in difficult situations, and it's plus one fact when I'm enjoying working at Syberry. Это выглядит естественно хотя бы. Я честно стараюсь, я просто очень сильно волнуюсь. Вы просто, знаете, потом будете заставлять, типа, все что-то говорят, и я просто периодически улыбаюсь.